The second phase of the 2024 general elections is set to start on April 26th. In the second phase, 89 constituencies across 13 states and union territories will go for polling. In phase 2, polling will conclude in Kerala as all its 20 seats will go to the polls. Elections in Rajasthan will also conclude as its remaining 13 seats will be under voting. On the other hand, elections will resume in Karnataka as half of its seats will be under polling. Polling will also take place in 8 seats of Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, 7 seats of Madhya Pradesh, 5 seats of Assam and Bihar, followed by 3 seats of West Bengal and Chhattisgarh, and single seats of Tripura, Manipur and Jammu and Kashmir. Now, out of these 89 constituencies, there are 10 key seats that we need to focus on. Starting with Kerala, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will look to regain the Wayanad seat, but he is facing a contest from CPI's N.E. Raja, wife of CPI General Secretary D. Raja and Kerala BJP President K. Surendran. Another seat from Kerala is the Thiruvananthapuram constituency. Senior Congress leader and incumbent MP Shashi Tharoor will look to win the Thiruvananthapuram seat for the 4th time in a row, but it might not be that easy for him as BJP has fielded Union Minister of State Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Moving to Karnataka, Congress's Soumya Reddy will look to end BJP's winning run from the Bangalore South seat by defeating BJP's incumbent MP Tejaswi Surya. Another seat of Karnataka, Mandya, is going to have a super fight between JDS and former CM H.D. Kumaraswamy against Congress's Venkat Ramane Gowda, a civil contractor. Next is Maharashtra's Amravati seat, where sitting MP Navneet Rana, who recently joined the BJP, will face Congress's Balwant Wankhede. Then in Rajasthan, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla is seeking a hat-trick from Kota but faces a tough challenge from Prahlad Gunjal, a Gujjar strongman. Moving to Bihar's Purnia, where NDA and JDU MP Santosh Kumar and India Bloc's Bhima Bharti are facing a tough challenge from Rajesh Ranjan aka Pappu Yadav, who is contesting as an independent. Then we jump to Uttar Pradesh's Meerut, where BJP has fielded actor Arun Govil against SP Congress Alliance candidate Sunita Verma. Another seat of Uttar Pradesh, Mathura, will witness a super fight between BJP's 2-term sitting MP Hema Malini and Congress's Mukesh Dhangar. In Chhattisgarh, the high-profile Rajnandangao seat will see a contest between BJP's sitting MP Santosh Pandey and Congress's Bhupesh Baghel, a former Chief Minister. The result of all the 89 seats of Phase 2 with other phases will be out on June 4th.